everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The Creative Business Muse. It's so good to have you here, and yeah, let's get started. So today, I really wanted to share with you um, my kind of version of a glow book. A couple of weeks back, me and my husband visited a hardware store, and inside there, at the paint section, I found these really glossy paper kind of books, and immediately I thought this would make a nice journal, and I decided that I was going to make a glow book out of that because I was actually speaking to one of my friends, my journaling friends, and she recommended that she is busy getting a smaller one. And I thought, well, you know what, I'm not going to make one, I'll just use this. So the first thing that I did was I covered all the papers with gesso. Let me just see if I can, yeah. So I literally covered that glossy paper with gesso just to take the glossiness away. And I then got 4 prompts from the Margaret Miller collage challenge, and I decided to make my own little glue book. So yeah, it was week one was a historical figure or event, a decorative napkin. It was a magazine ad with bold text, "You are priceless." And then obviously something that's found in the ocean or sea. So there was a seal swimming. And then I just added some additional sentiments that really spoke to me. And those were, "Be proud of your art," and "Why not?" Because I think at this stage I was a lot around, just questioning myself. So I did that. And then the next page, I literally just glued some images onto this that I still had from December care, where I had some papers left over, so I pasted them so that there's already a background, so that I don't feel like white or empty page, white page, whatever they want to call it, syndrome, where I don't know how to start. So there's already gesso, there's already a background, and yeah, the second week's prompts were transportation, which I have there, transportation, very old forms of transportation back in the days. Sheet music, which I've got here at the bottom, a drawing or sketch, which here at this stage I realized that once I've gathered my 5 or 6 pieces of collage papers, that a centerpiece, or yeah, that would be perfect if I put uh, a centerpiece in the middle that kind of just brings everything together. And then something that starts with R. I'm not sure what that was, but my favorite book and author, which is Elizabeth Gilbert, Eat, Pray, Love, one of the books that I have and that I read. And then I just put some stamps all around it, and I said to myself, they color outside of the lines, and then just imagine, believe, and achieve. On week three, it was a page from an old book, something with stripes, a photograph or photographs, a bird's nest, focal point. That is the word that I wanted to share. It's good to have a focal point and then just build around that. So yeah, I've got some stripes, some tissue paper, and yeah, I didn't find the shopping list. So yeah, I reminded myself to embrace my inner artist and to just do it. Right? Then moving on to the fourth week, I had a map with roads. There I had it. Something that needs water, something with wheels, a handwritten note, some polka dots, and something in black and white. Some polka dots and something in black and white. And yeah, I said, be proud of your art, and always be inspired and inspire. So the first 4 weeks of prompts, those were the ones that we got for free. And then I wanted to continue because I was enjoying this so much. So I went on and found the prompts for week 5, also from my dear friend. And it was a dictionary page, something that you can't do without, something crinkled, a drawing or a sketch, and something circular. So I've got a donut, I've got a dictionary page, I've got a crinkled page, I've got some wrapping paper, and the sketch here is of an eye, which says, "Bloom where you are planted and explore." So then I realized that I don't want to wait, and I continued filling up the rest of the pages with a background. And look at me incorporating some junk journaling into this book as well, into the glue book as well. So I went and I just added some more that I need to fix. I just added some more backgrounds in, so that when I do eventually start, that it's going to be easy for me to start pasting my images down. So these were all the backgrounds that I did. what leftover paper that I have. There's still some pieces open, which I will decide what to do with those ones, but I literally went and put some backgrounds on there. These are also some tags that I had left over, which I'm still deciding what to do with those tags. So this is my mini glue book. So then I realized that I need more prompts, and I went onto ChatGPT and I generated some additional prompts for me to continue in this journey. So this is my little glue book, and yeah, I hope that I've encouraged you to also start something. And this is literally just, you look for the 5 pieces of collage, you look for them in magazines, in books, anywhere around you, and I tag them together. I'll show you a picture where I actually tag them together with a paper clip, and I prepare them, and when I'm ready I just sit and I start collaging. And this is just a scissor and a glue stick, and off you go.